Good afternoon, this is Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures, coming to you for the daily afternoon wrap-up for Monday, October 24th. Overnight, relatively narrow S&P range, about 15 points, which has been very narrow lately. Asia was up pretty strong, and Europe was up a little bit. Fundamental news today was the calendar was totally empty, so there was really nothing coming out at all today. Earnings there was quite a few earnings. There was a lot of second-tier financial stocks, a lot of second smaller bank stocks that actually came in as good, slightly better than expectations. The earning of the day, though, was Caterpillar, came in significantly better than expected, beat it by about 30%. In addition to that, they had very good comments not only about next quarter, about their order backlog, and also the health of their customers, which actually had a pretty wide impact on the market today. Other earnings, Kimberly-Clark came in exactly to the penny. However, they lowered their range of guidance, just actually the top end, but they got killed today. So realistically, we had one good, one bad, and the rest of the earnings was actually slightly to the positive. However, during the course of the day, the market behaved very, very well. We had some Chinese manufacturing edged up a little bit, kind of significant because it's the first month in 4 months that actually went up. There's been almost hardly any news coming out of Europe. However, what was coming out of Europe was relatively good. I mean, small rumors about what they are or not going to do on Wednesday, that it is on track, that it could potentially be something significant. We're building up quite a bit on Wednesday, so hopefully there's not going to be too much disappointment. In any event, the market went up strong the whole day. The SPX closed up 16 at 1254. The Dow closed up 105 at 11914. The Nasdaq up 61 points today, 2699. The bonds continued to sell off. Obviously, that's been the most significant thing that we've been watching here is when the bonds sell off. Obviously, that's kind of the fear is subsiding. It's no one's going to buy the 10-year note for an investment because the 10-year note is yielding about what expected inflation is going to be. So this is all whether or not people are nervous or not nervous, and the fact that they're selling off actually leads me to believe that the market potentially could have some more legs. Dollar got hit a little bit today, gold up 19, so the risk trade was definitely on today. Coming up this week, we have the consumer confidence tomorrow, we have durable goods on Wednesday. We have the GDP on Thursday. We also have the personal income and personal spending on Friday. So the rest of the week's going to be pretty active on the fundamental category. Netflix is coming out after the market closer today, as well as Texas Instruments, so those might have an impact on the market tomorrow. It's been Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures.